In this example, we are looking at a different set of numbers that is given than the previous example. Here we are given the current price, $42 for this stock, 80 cents for next year's dividend, D1 equals $0.8, and 14% is the required rate of return. The question asks you what is the future price for this stock for next year, or the forecasted price for this stock next year. Let's first look at this simple present value calculation formula here. It says the present price equals the future price plus the future dividend divided by the 1 plus recorded rate of return. Here is current price, future dividend, recorded rate of return. 4 elements in this formula. In principle, given any 3 of them, we can calculate the 4th one. Example can be we can have the current price, the forecasted future price, the recorded rate of return, and then the question can ask you to calculate what is the future dividend. In this example, we just calculate the future price here. So again, my goal is to single out this future price and express the future price using the current price, future dividend, and the 1 plus the required rate of return. So this one gives me what? The first thing I do is times both sides with 1 plus required rate of return. Then I will get P0 times 1 plus required rate of return. That equals what's in the numerator here. Future price plus the future dividend. And then we have to think about, again, my goal is to single out this future price. So I minus the future dividend on both sides, right? So when I minus this future dividend on the left-hand side, it just goes there. If I minus this guy on the right-hand side, this plus D1 minus D1 just cancel out to 0. So now I got future price single out. Okay, this says what? This says basically the future price of this stock now equals what? The current price times 1 plus the required return, then minus the future dividend. Now let's do the calculation here. It's $48 times 1 plus 14%, the required rate of return, and then minus the 80 cents, the future dividend, right? Now let's calculate this number. We still want to say, well, this gives us the future price of this stock. It is what? It's 48 times 1.14. That gives us 54.72. So what I have is 54.72. Then minus 0.8, right? So this one minus 0.8, I got 53.92. So 53.92 is the answer. So the future price, probably forecasted by some analyst, is 53.92.